beside the sea, stories written in the stonework of the land that made us free. From the fields of Kent to Yorkshire, to the streets of Glasgow rain, we were shaped by Christian values, and we shouldn't be ashamed. So stand tall for what we believe in, don't let history fade away. If we lose the roots that ground us, what is left for us to save? Let the old church bells keep ringing through the towns of Britain's shore. Keep the faith that built this country strong and hard forevermore. Teach our children where we came from, what our fathers held as true. Keep the Christian spirit living in the red, the white and blue. Too many say traditions old-fashioned, that faith belongs behind closed doors. But a nation without meaning soon forgets what it stands for. Freedom came with moral courage, sacrifice and humble prayer. If we throw away our heritage, will anybody even care? This is not about division, not about denying grace. It's about remembering clearly what first shaped this place. Let the old church bells keep ringing through the towns of Britain's shore. Keep the faith that built this country strong and hard forevermore. Teach our children where we came from, what our fathers held as true. Keep the Christian spirit living in the red, the white and blue. Raise your voice without hatred, stand your ground without fear. A nation can protect its heritage and still welcome those sincere. Traditions living for the old.